Yeah.
kailangan mong gawin yung mga things na hindi mo ginagawa ngayon. Example, like you, idol, podcast, di ba? This is out of our comfort zone eh.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Actually, oo.
This is something na, syempre, along the way, we're learning.
yeah.
And that learning, yun yung magbibigay sa atin ng ng panibagong skill.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi the way how you talk kanina, and yung skill na ine-explain, hindi naman yun nangyari sa one day lang eh.
Yeah.
That's a culmination of all the risks that you take.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And still taking actually.
And
And we
still
continually
taking.
improve. And to your point, imagine from somebody who is bullied in college for my speech. Because I'm from the South. Bisaya talaga. Bisdak, di ba? Di ba? Medyo may
Bisdak.
derogatory, di ba? Dito
Okay.
But, that's why also, wala akong masyadong courage. But right now, I don't care. Because there are even people who doesn't speak good English, but important is you're able to, I think I stopped caring what other people would say, and I just, this is me.